instant noodle recipe time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodle. And what do we got here? This is JML, Jin Mai Dong, out of China with their Big Soup, Big Taste stewed beef noodle. And it's a big noodle. There's a big boy right there, let me tell you folks. Holy moly, baby Jesus, wow. So there's a liquid, and there's a, what do you call this thing? A vegetable, yes, a vegetable. Okay. I must say, my recent experience dealing with JML brand noodles, their sachets open like nothing else, or not their sachets, their packaging. There's the noodle block, which, wow, doesn't even want to fit in the pot. Okay, let's throw in the vegetable. Okay, there goes that. And yes, yeah, I'm gonna let you watch it cook. Gonna need an assist though, let me tell you. Okay. Yeah, these sachets come apart like nothing. Why do I want to say sachet? Oh boy. Here we go. Yeah, look at that sucker. It's cooking. It's cooking! So yeah. I'd show you the arcade machine. Maybe next time I've got one that takes a while to cook. Coming up soon, you're going to see some Japanese varieties that came out of Nakama boxes. You can go to meowmallbox.com. I think that's it. But I did my first unboxing of one of their boxes, and boy, oh boy, I'm excited. Pack varieties from Japan, folks. That really floats my boat. Pack varieties. Let me put this over here. Let it get a little warm as it's liquid, and it's cold. I'm cold. I'm thirsty, but I don't know where my beverage went. I got 3 minutes until my wife gets off for lunch, and then we sit and we chat. So, talking to her today, she's hoping that she gets her work computer and then she can start working from home. And that'll be neat because instead of us texting each other on her lunch, we'll be like chatting with each other on her lunch. So that's fancy. That's classy stuff. I like that. But yeah, it is cold outside. Went out, came back. My fingers were freezing. I mean, like, it took a while for my fingers to actually warm up. But they is now, that's for sure. And here we go. Are you ready? You ready for this? One and done. So this is a big freaking pot of noodles. I did another one earlier, or it would have been 2 days ago for you on the show. That was another enormous pack. Felt like it was looser. Okay. There we go. Glurp, glurp, glurp. Stewed beef. There stewed beef. Getting there. Give her a stirring. It's happy music for stirring noodles, folks. It's kind of noisy too. I don't know. Maybe it's too noisy. I'll turn it down a little bit. It smells good. It smells kind of Szechuan-y. We'll see. Alright. People make fun of me for my twirling the fork thing, but I don't know. I'm just used to it. It's easy. There we go. Pretty good. Very seasoned. I mean, it's like almost kind of herbally. Herbal. It's good. Okay, I'm gonna use this bowl. It's kind of nice. I gotta use these huge bowls. Okay. About like that. A little bit more. How's that? I'm going with that. Soup and broth, big sucker. There's that. What about there? And again, just like the last few I've done, I'm using Chinese sausage. It's a really nice add-in. Because I was not fast enough, and now my wife is going, "Hey, where are you?" So she'll know in a moment or two, because I'm gonna get through this, chat with my lady, and then head out and do some more walking, I think. Those look pretty nice. There we are. I'm out of eggs in this bin, however, I will still use the broth, or the brine, or whatever you want to call it. The egg stuff, the juice. I guess you could call it all sorts of stuff. Yes, I kind of got to move you guys down this way so you're a little bit more uniform. I'm just going to go like that. I like that, and that's how it'll be. So, unfortunately, all the mung bean sprouts that I've got on hand are now in the trash because, well, they're just no mo. Really getting used to using this tripod or monopod. It's bugging me. Anyways, Rotato, do your stuff. Well, thank you very much for watching. This has been Hans the Ramenator, wishing you all the enjoyment in the world and of your noodles and everything else. So please like, subscribe, and do what you do. Don't go changing. This has been Hans the Ramenator, wishing you enjoyment in your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.